Hey, children, do you listen my voice?
Yes,
Voice,
sir.
Varun? Uh, now, do you see this textbook?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you take your notebooks and note down the confusing words. Have you listened to the previous class, boys? In the previous class, we
Yes,
discussed
sir.
about confusing words.
Yes, sir.
The words
Confused.
which confuse us in pronunciation, in
Sir,
writing.
third, third one, sir.
Third one we are going to discuss gate.
Yes, sir.
Gate, gate. Have you got this meaning? What is the meaning of gate?
The way someone
The way someone
walks.
walks. Yes, correct. Walking manner. Simply also walking manner. The style of how he walks. Gait. Gait means walking manner, or how the boy is said, that is also the way a man walks. Gait. One more word.
Gate.
What is the spelling?
Gate.
Gate. What is this meaning?
An open door to a compound.
An open door to a compound. An open door. Simply, you can say an open door. There should be no walls or anything. Simply a small wall is there, compound wall is there. Sometimes iron fencing also there. This is called gate. Gate. Hmm. First one is very easy. GATE is very easy. First, we make a sentence with GATE, children. What do you write? Anybody? I give you one example. The gate is made of iron. The gate is made of iron. How is our school main gate, children? Is it strong or is it feeble?
Strong.
How can we say?
It is made of
Our school main gate is?
Our school gate is strong.
Our school main gate is very strong.
Very strong.
Or strong also, you can say. Like that. Okay. GIT gate. Prabhas gate is very stylish. Prabhas gate is very stylish. Even Brahmanandam also. You can say comedian Brahmanandam's gate is very funny. Like that. Next one, children. Canvas. 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 What is another word for canvas? CANVAS. Canvas. What is the meaning of canvas? CANVAS.
Strong, sir.
Yes. Canvas shoe, we say.
Strong.
Strong cloth.
Yes, sir. And
A
coarse and loose
strong
cloth.
white cloth is called. A strong
Cloth
white cloth,
made.
which we use for apron
Yarn.
or
Yarn, sir.
shoes.
Yarn. Sir, yarn.
Ah,
YARN.
an arn. Arn means thread. YARN. Arn. Thread. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Used to
Canvas.
make items such as sails
Yes.
and tents.
What you said is right. One more canvas is there. CANVASS. Canvas. Now in Hyderabad, canvas is going on. Election
Pracharam,
canvas.
sir. Pracharam.
Campaign. CAMPIGN. Canvas means campaign. Pracharam, yes. Even some private institutions, after the result, they give campaign, canvas, advertisement through mic, through newspaper, through TV channel, through visiting places. Canvas, CANVASS, canvas. Campaign, CAMPAIGN, campaign. Publicity, for publicity, that is called canvas. Double S, single S, children. First, we write single S sentence. Canvas, cloth, a thick cloth. This canvas shoe is very strong. This canvas shoe is very strong or very beautiful. You can write anything. Very comfortable also. This canvas shoe are comfortable. Shoes are comfortable. If you write single, you write is. If you write plural, shoes are, shoe is. Okay, are you following, ma? Children, after students come here, when we inquire them, we came to learn that all Zoom classes are only for the sake of time pass, what you are listening, but don't listen like that, children. Be serious. When you are away from the school, you have to be careful. Canvas. Next, one more word, canvas, double S, CANVASS, children. Canvas, campaign. All the political parties, write down, children. All the political parties are busy in canvas in the greater elections, in the greater corporation elections, in the greater corporation elections, in the greater corporation elections. Children, if you feel any difficulty, don't be panic. Don't be panic. Be brave and ask me. Is it completed, boys?
Sir. One.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Completed, Bayana?
I said one more sentence, sir. Canvassing.
If you are, I am heartfully welcome. Yes, come on.
A team of students is canvassing the city for the Republican Party.
Yes, you can say. One more single yes.
Single. Single, no, sir. We go to every house to canvass voters.
Okay, that is double S. Okay, single S, limited sentence. That what we discuss, canvas shoe only. No problem. Ah. Next, Babu. Check. CHECK. Now this chance to other boys other than Bayan. Varun, Ravichandra. Boys, Ravichandra.
Sir.
What is that word? Next word, check. What is this meaning? Check
Can I
meaning
say?
check.
Check means
Who
checking
is Prakash?
bags.
Checking bags. Very good. Checking bags.
When you are entering the school, the watchman check our bags and send to dormitories.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, the principal and staff told to students, tomorrow I will check your trunk box.
Okay. Yes, right. Next, anybody?
The airport officer check the luggage of passengers.
Passengers. Very good. Very good. Any other? Very
Checking
good.
salt in dining hall. Preparing. Checking
Boys?
salt in dining hall while preparing food.
Checking the salt at a dining hall before preparing the food. While preparing the food. Correct. Okay, very good. Okay, check. Anybody, any other answers? One more check is there. What is that check? One more check is there. What is its spelling?
CHEQUE.
CHEQUE. Check. Yes. What is this meaning, boys?
So money check, sir.
Yes, money on paper. Simply money on paper. Paper money. It is also, it indicates some money. 100 rupees. If we write on 100 rupees on the check, it becomes 100 rupees check. 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh like that. Yes, it represents money. Okay. Your favorite stars are there, cine stars. They give the check to the needy people. Now never cyclone is there. Previously one more cyclone came. Lockdown period. Some people they give check to CMs, PM. You imagine and frame a sentence.
Payments made by the check or in cash.
Yes, very good. Who said this sentence?
Surendra.
Babu, what is your name? Very good sentence.
Surendra.
Surendra, very good. Payments made through checks only. Check. Okay, it is acceptable. Very good. That means only we don't accept any cash amount. We accept only check amounts. Very good. Next.
Sir.
The
check which is taken by my friend is bouncing.
Yes. A check which is taken by my friend is bouncing. Very good. Good sentence.
Sir.
Come on.
Buyers can purchase a specific check amount to use for entertainment or purchase every month.
Okay. You can say this is also very good. Next, one more boy is saying, sir, sir. Who is that boy? Very good, Nana. 3 good sentences. My father gave me a 1,000 rupees check to me for my trip. You can say like that also. But you have given very good examples. Very good examples. Very good. Very good. I'm happy. Okay. Next word, children. What is this word?
Ceiling.
Yes, ceiling. What is this, children, meaning?
Roof of the house.
Yes, roof of the house. Yes. You imagine our classrooms roofs, how are they? You can say a sentence. Our classroom ceilings are cracked. Our classroom ceilings are cracked. Okay, children, is it right or not?
Right.
The ceiling of my house is very strong. Or if we have a new house, the ceiling is decorated with beautiful designs. New houses, they design very beautifully. You can say like that also. Ceiling. Any other say a sentence with the ceiling word?
My house ceiling is covering by POP.
Yes, very good. My house ceiling is covering with POP. Yes. Hey, what is this abbreviation, POP? Plaster pads, ka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good sentence, Nana. Next. The fan is hanging over the ceiling.
Sentence.
Okay. Like that. You write. Anybody try?
The roads are ceiling.
The roads are? No.
The
Ceiling.
roads are,
Top of the
yes,
roof.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
one more ceiling.
Ceiling, sir.
Ceiling, sir. SEALING.
SEALING. Ceiling. Yes. Very good. What is this meaning?
Close something securely.
Close something securely. Close something properly. Protectively. Ceiling. Yes.
The factory sealing the things in the box.
Okay. Babu, I can't able to listen, Nana. One more time, please repeat it.
The factory sealing the things in the box.
Okay. Okay. Babu, one more time, bra. Actually, voice break అవుతుంది సరిగ్గా వినపల్ల నాన్న. Please pardon.
The factory seal the things into the boxes.
Okay. Next. Okay, very good.
I had to seal the
Any
I
other
had
ball?
to seal the hemispheres.
I had sealed the hemisphere.
Sir. Hemisphere, sir. అది క్లోజ్ చేస్తాను.
ఏమి క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాయి?
హెమిస్ఫియర్ థింగ్స్ అనేది మనం క్లోజింగ్.
హెమిస్ఫియర్ ని క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాయని ఒకసారి చెప్తున్నా, ప్లీజ్ రిపీట్ ఇట్.
I had to seal the hemisphere things.
హెమిస్ఫియర్ థింగ్స్. హెమిస్ఫియర్ థింగ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? వాట్ ఆర్ దే?
ఫుట్బాల్. ఫుట్బాల్ సార్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
ఫుట్బాలా? ఫుట్బాల్ ఆడ స్టిచ్ అనే అర్థం నీకు క్లోజ్ చేయడం అంటే?
ఎస్ సార్.
అది రన్నింగ్ పెట్టారు కదా, మీ కొడుకు వచ్చినదా?
On the last working day of our school, all the rooms are sealed by the staff members. Last working day, if you see in our school, except classrooms, games room, dining hall, dormitories, this laboratory, library, all these rooms are sealed. SEALED, sealed with
The
proper.
Sir,
The court sealed the illegal buildings.
Okay.
The MRO sir. The MRO officers sealed the stamp on the caste certificate.
Yes, very good. Seal. It is a seal. Stamp seal.
Okay.
Okay.
నేర్పించే లాంగ్వేజ్ అది ప్రొనౌన్స్ సెంటెన్స్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఎట్లా చేయాలా అనేది నేర్పిస్తున్నారు క్లాస్.
Harshavardhan sir. No sir,
Harshavardhan. What is Nana? Harsha. 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 Okay. Complement. COMPLEMENT. COMPLEMENT Nana.
PLI sir, PLI.
PLE. PLI is one word, PLE is one word.
Okay sir.
COMPLEMENT. Complement.
Politely congratulate, sir.
Babu, congratulate. What is that meaning? PLI or PLE na?
PLI
PLE,
compliment ante adi.
PLI is
Abhinandana.
Congratulate, admire, praise. Very good. What about PLE?
Puraka.
Palabandam.
ఇంటికాడ పెట్టుకోగట్లేదు కదా, దానికి ఉంటూ ఉన్నాను.
Have you got it? Providing extra efforts or features to improve. Providing extra features or efforts to improve. Okay. First one is PLI. PLI, it is easy, Nano. COM, PLI, MENT, complement.
Too proud. Too proud.
Our football coach complimented the players after winning the final game. Complimented. Complimented means praise, rewarded, admired. The football coach complimented the players after winning the final game.
అప్పుడు చూస్తాను ఏంది ఇంకా నేను
అయ్యో
చూడు
ఎవరబ్బా ఐ థింక్ గౌడ్ NCC. Okay. Compliment. Compliment means praise, admire. Any other answers? A compliment in your life boost a person to travel a long distance. A compliment in your life boost the children, boost the person to travel a long distance. పొగడత అనేది మనల్ని ఎక్కువ దూరం ప్రయాణం చేసేటట్టు చేస్తుంది.
సార్
బాబు
కాంప్లిమెంటరీ పిఎల్ఈ సార్ పిఎల్ఈ సెంటెన్స్ చెప్తాను సార్.
పిఎల్ఈ యూ టెల్.
Two angles are complementary when they add to up to 90 degrees.
Yes. Complementary ఈక్వల్ అని కదా అక్కడ.
ఎస్ సార్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ అంటే మనం రెండు యాంగిల్స్ అంటే అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 90 వస్తే దాన్ని కాంప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్ అంట.
ఓకే కాంప్లిమెంటరీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఓకే వాడచ్చు యూ కెన్ యూస్. To get good result, we compliment the children at study hour. To get the good result, we compliment the children at their study hour. Extra efforts. Study hour లోనే కదా మనం ఇచ్చేది. లేట్ నైట్ స్టడీ అని, డే స్టడీ అని, నైట్ స్టడీ అని, ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ స్టడీ అని. To get good result, we compliment children at their study hour. Okay. Next, Nana. Stationery.
Things, sir. Things.
Which one? Two words are there, Nana. Stationery. STATIONERY. NARY.
NARY, sir.
NARY is not moving any, no movement. NERY is stationery means bookshop, where we can purchase materials relating paper, pen, pencil, pad, etc. Stationery. Children, very, very important, Nana. Stationary. TIONERY. NARY is no movement. Kadalika leni.
Fixed.
Halted. Parked. 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 Apina. Nilipina. Halted. 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 Next word. Stationary. STATIONERY. Stationary. Stationary means where we get pen, pencil, paper, eraser, all the materials relating to office or school. స్కూల్ సంబంధించిన ఆఫీస్ సంబంధించిన మెటీరియల్ అంతా దొరికే చోటు. Sri Raghavendra Stationery is very famous in my town. Sri Raghavendra Stationery అంటే షాప్ అని. Sri Raghavendra Stationery is very famous in my town. One more sentence, Nana. Stationery. NERY తో. Any other children?
Student purchase all stationaries for when coming to school.
Student must purchase all stationery when they come to school. Very good. When they come to school. Very good.
Okay.
These stationaries are very cost in Reddy store.
Yes. These stationaries are very cost in Reddy's store. Reddy's store. Very good. Very good. ఇంకా నాన్న ARY తో ఇప్పుడు నౌ యూ టెల్ ARY స్టేషనరీ.
A car collided with a stationary vehicle.
వెరీ గుడ్. నేను మనసులో అనుకుంటున్నా, నేను లారీ అనుకుంటున్నా, నువ్వు కార్. వెరీ గుడ్. ఏ కార్ కొలైడెడ్ విత్ ఏ స్టేషనరీ వెహికల్. స్టేషనరీ వెహికల్. కొలైడెడ్ మీన్స్ ఇక్కడ యాక్సిడెంట్ అవ్వడం, అదే ఢీ కొట్టడం. కొలైడెడ్.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue is stationary.
Yes. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue is stationary. All statues are stationary. Very good. Stationary. Very good. బాగా చెప్పారు. సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ స్టాచ్యూ is stationary.
అది పెట్టుకుంటే వెనకాల ఆడి వెళ్ళేది వస్తుంది మళ్ళా.
ఓకే. ఎనీ అదర్ ట్రై?
అడ్డమే లేదు.
The car still stationary from the morning onwards.
The damaged car is stationary on the road since morning or from morning. Okay. Okay, children. Very good.
The sun
Next,
in the
simple
universe
one.
is
Any other?
the sun in the universe is stationary.
Yes, the sun in the universe is stationary. Very good, children.
The houses are stationary.
Yes, the houses are stationary. If they are not stationary, we cannot live. We have to search. Where is my house? Where is my house? Very good example. Very good. Very good. Next, 9th one, Nana. Already. 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 Already, all, A-L-L, all. A-L, single L, double L, Nana. Single L is, what is the single L meaning? A-L, R-E-A-D. Anybody? Something happened before or earlier. Something happened. Oh, you have come now. Already one person has come. Too late, Nana. Already. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y. Single L, Nana. Something happened already, before or earlier. Something happened before or earlier. Already, A-L-L, already. Everything is ready. Completely prepared. Completely prepared. Everything is ready or completely prepared. Already.
యాదోటి కసి తిరిగింది.
We are all ready to face the public examinations. We are all ready. A-L-L, all ready. We are all ready to face the public examinations. Any other say with all? A-L-L, all.
We are all ready to going Lepakshi temple.
Yes, very good. Any other answer?
We are all ready to playing games.
To play games. They are
Sir.
all ready to play games.
We
Okay.
are all ready to go to dinner now.
Okay. Next, A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already.
They have already agreed to come.
I have already agreed to come. My parents already accepted.
I had
to send me
already
to school.
left by the time you called.
Yes. Okay. Next, no, last, advice. A-D-V-I-C-E, A-D-V-I-S-E.
Yes. Salaha.
A-D-V-I-C-E is guidance, Nana. G-U-I-D-A-N-C-E.
Suggestion వస్తుందా?
Advice. A-D-V-I-S-E. One more advice. A-D-V-I-C-E. A-D-V-I-C-E is guidance. Suggestion also. Salaha. ఎవరో తెలుగులో చెప్పారు. Correct. It is correct. One more word is there. A-D-V-I-S-E. Give suggestion. Salaha ichu nana. Give suggestion. Or give guidance. A-D-V-I-C-E is a noun.
That is verb, sir.
And A-D-V-I-S-E is a verb. A-D-V-I-C-E is a noun. And A-D-V-I-S-E is a verb. My parents' advice is very good. A-D-V-I-C-E nana ikkada. My parents' advice is very good. మా అమ్మ నాన్న ఇచ్చిన సలహా బాగుంది. నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న A-D-V-I-S-E
రెండు కోరు
My parents advised me to attend the classes through Zoom class. My parents advised me. వంశీ వాళ్ళ నాన్న అయితే చెప్పాడు అనమాట. సార్ మా అబ్బాయి జూమ్ ద్వారానే వింటాడులే సార్ పాఠాలని. మై పేరెంట్స్ వాడు వంశీ గారు చెప్పచ్చు. మై పేరెంట్స్ అడ్వైజ్డ్ మీ టు అటెండ్ ద క్లాస్ త్రూ జూమ్.